This video will go over how easy it is to insert variables within FeedbackWhiz. Variables are elements specific to your company or an order and can be inserted into your template. Make sure you're editing any one of your templates in order to come into this page. Once you're inside this page, underneath the content section, you'll be able to see this box that says Show Variables. Go ahead and click on it and a pop-up will appear. All of these email template variables provided are TOS compliant, and you can easily load them into your template. You don't have to know any kind of coding in order to insert any of these links into your template. We provide the variables for company name, logo, any for your order information such as the order ID, purchase date, total price, etc. You have variables for your products that you can easily plug in as well, and for shipping information, contact seller, product review, or seller feedback links are also provided. So within this template, you'll be able to see that this Columbia women's switchback jacket and the size is typed out. Instead of typing this out, all you would have to do is go ahead and delete that and click on Show Variables. You can either copy the code in or insert it into the editor. I'm going to go ahead and click on Insert into Editor, and you'll be able to see that this item title variable pulls that item for you on the live email preview side. You'll be able to see it populate accordingly to the order. So for the product review rating, I'm going to go ahead and click on Show Variables. And again, you can either insert it into editor or copy it. I'm going to go ahead and copy it this time. Just go ahead and click paste right here. So this is going to be a direct link to Amazon now to leave the product review. You are able to edit the section that is in between the two colons and the two brackets only. So instead of typing out leave product review, you can type out anything that you would wish to type right here. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and write leave product rating. It could be anything, and you'll be able to see it populate on this side as to what you wrote in. Make sure there's no spacing left between the two colons and the two brackets, or this will not work. Underneath this section, I'm going to go ahead and insert the contact seller link. You'll be able to see it populate on this side. And again, you can type out anything within this contact seller section. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that part and just click and type out reach out to me. Anything that you would like to type out here, it will display on this side. It's super easy to use. And instead of typing out my company name, I'm going to go ahead and use the variable for a company name. I'm going to go ahead and insert it into the editor, and you'll be able to see it populate accordingly on this side. So right now, all of this is for this order number. So this is actually a drop down, and you can go ahead and click on another order to see it populate the variable accordingly. So you'll see this is for the bathroom porcelain ceramic vessel. You'll be able to see that this is for the remote, and all the orders will be easily displayed right here, so you're always able to view it live as to how it will look like inside your customer's inbox. You can also use variables within your subject line. The ones that are provided are the only ones that will work, such as order ID, item title short, or product custom short title. So in this section, you would just have to copy the order ID variable and go ahead and come over here and just click paste. Make sure there's a space in between for it to work. So that's how easy it is to use variables. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for more information, please visit FeedbackWhiz.com.